Hello, everybody. So, my topic is going to be sensory disorder. The reason why I chose it is because I'm a teacher for a specialized school, and I noticed this happening because when on the first day I tried to do some Play-Doh with the children, and they refused to touch it. So, and then after that, decided to switch it to sand, and they still don't like it. So, that's why my area of focus is to show how to provide training for educators who have students with sensory disorder and to help them increase and achieve social and academically. Meaning that since they need the since they need the sensory to help, to see what's going on in the world. So this could be a good way to help them explore the world and understand what they're surrounding. So, and also as well as this will help the teachers have a better understanding about the sensory disorder and finding ways to help them in their life. So, so sensory experience that parents do not notice may be extremely frightening or pleasant for a child in the feel of the fabric. So many children will not have issues of feeling the fabric. It could be either too soft, too rough, as well as the food to eat. So most of the children have issue touching fruits. As example, one of my students refused to touch strawberry due to the fact it's like the smooth or smooshy type. So I decided to no, give them a fork instead of grabbing with a hand, use it with a fork. Also, children and adults use their sense to explore the world. This is the reason why I picked this topic so I could help the students in my classroom, and I could also show and speak to the parents on what they could do with this issue. Because many times, because when they have a sensory issue, the children end up acting up, and it's hard for them to control their behavior or help them with their behavior. Also, it's a good way to have a better understanding. So when I'm doing this project, it's like only one who knows about this is my staff, as well as like I won't mention their names. I won't use the picture. If I'm doing like a finger painting activity, I'll just focus on what they draw as well. So, and mostly the children in my classroom are Hispanics. Their ages are between 3 and 4, so most likely they're like preschoolers. And okay, so the questions I have in mind is, what can parents do to help them with their children's education, knowing that they have a sensory issue? Due to the fact that once they go into school, they have sensory issue, they have a hard time, exploring the classroom, playing with Legos, doing other stuff. So, and then plus trying some activities such as playing with sand, playing with the water table, all the stuff. So, also, what can teachers as myself can do in the classroom to help them with a sensory issue? That's a very good question. I'm still having a hard time understanding my students due to the fact they have sensory issue. So, also another question would be what caused them to have a sensory issue? I'm still doing my research on that because there's different ways of understanding what caused them to have a sensory issue. Because most of my students are autistics and most of them have sensory issue as well. So while I'm doing all this, I'm gonna collect most of the artwork and assessment to see what's the difference from now and to then. So, and also my intervention plan is to see how they react towards sensory activity. For instance, the other day I did shaving cream and whipped cream. They first looked at it. One of them freaked out. They didn't want to do it. So the others kept on touching it. They had to smell. They used one of the sensors to smell to see what scent they have. If it smelled good, they play with it. If not, they moved on. So also this also can determine what kind of activities I could do with them, to help them improve their disorder. Also to help the students, the parent needs to know what they do in the classroom, and also as well as they could incorporate what they learn in school into the classroom. And also what I'm doing is it will take time. I'll give us, I would say 2 months, but also since they have OT, they also helping us out. But most likely I give them about 2 months. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, I'd like to have some feedback from you guys. Thank you.